Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. Today's class here differentiability introductions. Here f dash of a is equal to f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a. Here it is the general formula for differentiability. Okay. Here it is very important for 2 marks and 4 marks questions. Okay, here first we have to take similar to the continuity. Okay, here for continuous we have studied the left hand limits equal to right hand limit equal to f of a. Here it is similarly. Here for differentiation we have to take left hand derivatives. For left hand derivatives, here f of x, in the place of x we have to substitute a minus h. Okay, f of a divided by x is nothing but a minus h minus a, therefore plus a minus a cancel each other, therefore f of a minus h minus f of a divided by minus h. Here it is the left hand derivatives. Okay, similarly for right hand derivatives, in the place of x, here my function f of x here greater than, therefore we have to take plus. Okay, for right hand limit, here f of a plus h minus f of a divided by a plus h minus a, therefore plus a minus a cancel each other, therefore here f of a plus h minus f of a divided by plus h. Okay, for left hand derivatives here minus h. Okay, for right hand derivative here it is plus h, therefore these are our formulas. Okay, for differentiation. Okay, similarly next properties. Okay, properties of derivatives. Okay, properties of derivatives, here d divided by dx. Okay, u plus or minus b. Okay, here my function is having both. Okay, here first function I will take my u and second function I will take b. Therefore if the function is in the addition or subtraction, we have to take du first function derivative. Okay, du by dx plus or minus dv by dx. Okay, derivative with respect to x. Okay, similarly here d by dx ku. Okay, k is nothing but constants, 1 2 3 any real numbers. Okay, here k should be kept outside. Okay, therefore du by dx. Okay, k is here, therefore the constant cannot be derivative. Okay, keep it as constant. Again we have to differentiate du by dx. Okay, next here d by dx, my function is u dot b. Okay, here we will call this as product rule. Okay, product rule, because these two are in product. Okay, therefore du by dx, first we have to differentiate the first term. Okay, then second function should be kept as constant. Okay, without any change the same function should be written. Similarly plus dv by dx, now the second function should be derivative. Okay, differentiate one time and the first function should be kept as common. Here we can say that du by dx is nothing but u dash v plus v dash u. Okay, here this is our product rule. Dash is nothing but here differentiation, derivative, one time derivative. Okay, next quotient rule. Quotient rule is nothing but d by dx, here u by v. Okay, here du by dx v minus dv by dx u divided by v squared. Okay, here simply we can write du by dx is u dash v minus v dash u divided by v squared. Okay, this is our quotient rule. Here it is product rule, here it is multiple of some constant terms. Here we will take the constant term outside and we can derivative the functions. Okay, here plus or minus. Okay, whether here it is addition, we will take the addition function. Okay, if it is here subtraction, we can take subtraction. Okay, here it is the properties of derivatives. Okay, next some important results. Okay, formulas for derivatives. Derivatives, here some formulas. Okay, for differentiation, here I am taking first d by dx x power n. Okay, here n x n minus 1. Okay, here x power n is nothing but n x n minus 1. Okay, here next d by dx e power x. E is nothing but exponential function. Okay, exponential function, here the differentiation also the same exponential function e power x. Okay, next d by dx, here ax, here it is exponential function, here it is a is nothing but constant real numbers. Okay, here ax log a. Okay, here a is, suppose I am taking 2x in this sense, here 2x log 2. Okay, next d by dx, here ln of x. Ln is here nothing but logarithmic function. Okay, log x. Okay, here if we differentiation the log x, we will get 1 by x. Okay, here next d by dx, here sin x. If you derivative one time, sin x will becomes cos x. Okay, d by dx tan x. Tan x, here secant square x. Next d by dx, here secant x is equal to secant x tan x. Okay, similarly here the first term is different. Okay, s t s. Okay, next I am taking my first c. Okay, similarly here also c, here also c. Cos x. Cos x, here minus sin x. If I differentiation cos x, I will get minus sin x. Okay, similarly d by dx, here cot x minus cosecant square x. Okay, here d by dx cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x cot x. Okay, whenever the first letter is c, c means here negative. Okay, whenever the first letter is c, here it will becomes negative. Okay, next here these are my sign. tan, secant, cos, cot, cosecant. Okay. Next I am taking the inverse function. Okay. D by dx sin inverse of x. Therefore, here sin inverse of x is nothing but 1 minus x square. Okay. Similarly, for d by dx, here cos inverse of x is equal to minus. Whenever the c is first, here minus. Therefore, root of 1 minus x square. Similarly, d by dx, here tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of x is nothing but 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Similarly, here d by dx, here cot inverse of x is equal to minus, because my first letter is c. Therefore, 1 plus 1 square x square. Okay. Next, d by dx, here secant inverse of x, here 1 divided by x into under root of x squared minus 1. Okay. Here d by dx cosecant inverse of x is equal to, first letter is c, therefore minus 1 divided by x into x squared minus 1. Okay. Here it is my trigonometric functions. Okay. Here it is inverse trigonometric functions. If you differentiate one time, we will get the similar terms. Okay. Here you have to memorize these terms. Okay. These are the important formulas for derivatives. Okay. You should be very clear. Okay, with this formulas. Okay. Next, some important result. 1 by x, here d by dx. Whenever my function is 1 by x, my result is directly minus 1 by x square. Okay. Similarly, root x, d by dx, differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. Okay. Whenever the questions are there, here 1 by x, here I will take simply minus 1 by x square, because here see, here it is plus 1, here it will become minus 1. Okay. D by dx, here minus 1, here n x n minus 1, therefore n is nothing but here minus 1, therefore minus 1 x minus 1 minus 1, therefore minus 1 x minus 2, therefore we will get minus 1 divided by, here minus 2 comes to denominator, here it will becomes plus 2, therefore here it is my result. Okay. Similarly, for root x is x power 1 by 2, we will get here 1 by 2 root x. Okay. Here some important results. Okay. These two are very important. Okay. It will help during the sums we are doing. Okay. I hope here it is, introduction is clear. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Dhanyavad. Thank you.